Hey there, content creators. Ever felt stuck staring at a blank page, wondering how to turn ideas into compelling content? Well, let me introduce you to Writecream, your new best friend in the world of content creation. But wait, before we dive in, hit that link in the description below for a special lifetime deal. You don't want to miss it. So, what's the big deal with Writecream? Imagine having a tool that writes entire articles, scripts, or even catchy Instagram captions in just seconds. Yes, seconds. It's like having a coffee-fueled writing assistant, minus the caffeine crashes. It's packed with over 40 features. From crafting engaging blog intros to creating compelling ad copies, this AI-powered tool does it all. You can even generate personalized icebreakers for those awkward cold emails. Now, that's what I call social media magic. And here's the kicker. Writecream offers human-sounding voiceovers, perfect for YouTube videos and podcasts. No more awkward robot voices. Plus, it's got a Chrome extension so you can use it across different platforms like Google Docs and WordPress. Talk about multitasking. The best part? It's super easy to use. You don't need a degree in rocket science to figure it out. Just type in your product name and voila! You've got a blog article, video script, and more in under 30 minutes. Now, some folks say the credits run out too fast, but hey, with the right plan, you'll be swimming in content. And if you're not happy, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to grab your Writecream lifetime deal. Your future self will thank you for making content creation as easy as pie. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content tips. See you next time.